Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the literal types in the TypeScript. Nothing but we had seen the example with by considering numerical literal types as well as the string literal types. So today we'll be discussing about the union types in TypeScript, right? So while I say union types basically what it does, it allows the variable to hold values of multiple types. Again, I'm telling the concept is very simple. Here, union types allow the variable to hold values of the multiple types. It is defined using the this one. Basically, I'll just give here. This is the operator. Basically, it is defined using this operator, what I have given here, right? Simple and combining two or more types. In simple terms, it allows the variable to hold values of the multiple types, and also it is defined using this operator basically. So, combining two or more types basically. So let's see the same thing. Let's implement the same thing with a very simple example. So initial example, let's go with union of string and number, and the second example we will go with function argument with the union type, right? First example, let's go with a very simple example. Nothing but the union of string and number. I'll just give here value. This one, I'll just make use of the union operator here, string union or number. Here, this one, you can just say either string or the number, right? So value, I'll just give here, sorry, I'll just assign this one to something hello Bharadwaj here within the string. Let me give hello Bharadwaj. Let me quickly log here something, nothing but value, right? So here the output that we need to get here is hello Bharadwaj, right? So the value is of the type either string or the number. So this is nothing but the operator which is of the union type. Basically it is used to represent the union, right? Union type basically. I'll just quickly come here. Let me extend this one. I'll just give here value equals 42 something, any this one value you can consider. I'll quickly log here. Let me quickly log value here. So the output that we need to get here, we clearly know first output we will get is hello world, and the second time we are logging value, we are assigning the value to the 42, so it has to be 42. So we have given here either the string or the number, right? So the output that we need to get here is hello Bharadwaj and 42. Let's try to run the code. Let's see what we'll get. So here we are getting the output hello Bharadwaj and 42, right? So I'll quickly explain what I have done here. So basically this line, let value string or number, what we have considered here, the variable value can either store a string or a number. That's what this is saying. This line is saying a variable value, the variable value we have used here, right? This can store either a string or a number. Value hello Bharadwaj, what I have given here, this one is assigning a string value is valid here, right? Because we have considered the string, we are giving something value, we are assigning the value to the hello Bharadwaj within the strings, which is absolutely valid. Next, value equals 42 I have given here, nothing but we are assigning a number which is also valid, either a string or a number we have considered here, right? So union types basically help in handling the multiple possibilities for the various variable types, sorry. Union types help in handling multiple possibilities for the variable types. So I hope the concept of this one, union of string and number, is completely clear. Next, let's see one more example, which is nothing but the function argument with the union type, right? So I'll just come here. Let me quickly create the function. I'll just consider one thing. So print id is the this one. I'll just give here function name. Let me consider here. Let's make use of the union type, right? Either it has to be string. Sorry, just give me a second here. I'll just give on the small letters. Either it has to be in the string or number, right? So let me quickly log here console log of something. Let's make use of the string interpolation. I'll just give your id within this one. flower braces, let me call this one ID, right? I have considered ID. Yeah, let me pass the ID. So here I'll just make use of print ID. Let me copy the function name quickly here. Let me come here. Print ID of ID we have to pass, right? Let me pass something like I'll just pass here 100. Let me also pass here. It is very similar to the previous example, right? I'll just quickly delete this one and pass something within the strings. Something like I'll just pass here Bharadwaj, right? So output I need to get here is ID. So console ID I have given here within the string. So ID 101 and ID Bharadwaj. Let's see. Let's try running the code. So you can clearly see here we are getting the output ID 100 as well as the ID Bharadwaj, right? So I'll quickly explain what I've done here. So function print ID, this one, this what I've considered here, this line basically, the parameter ID can be either a string or a number here. So clearly you can see here the parameter ID, it can be either a string or a number. We are making use of the union type here, right? So the parameter ID can either be a string or a number. So print this one here, ID of 100, what I've given here. This basically passes a number to the function. We know this one, right? Print ID of Bharadwaj, what I have considered here, this passes a string to the function. Here it is passing the number to the function. Here it is passing the string to the function. And also one more thing we have to keep in mind, the function can work with both types seamlessly using the union types. That's what, right? This is allowing us to do. So I hope the concept of function argument with the union type and also the union of string and numbers is completely clear. I mean the concept of union types is completely clear. Next, we will discuss about this one, intersection types. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.